Why are you so obsessed with Halloween?
Hello everyone! Today I feel like doing a fall inspired look. I'm ready for autumn, I'm ready for all of the spookiness, Halloween, so let's celebrate that with a nice dark fall makeup look. The foundation that I'm going to use today is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I actually gifted this before I went on holiday, so this foundation might be too light for me, but let's just try it out. Let's see. Oh no, this colour is perfect. This year's summer in the UK has been very rubbish. I think we only had like 2 weeks of sun and then that was about it. But all of a sudden we're having like a crazy heat wave right now. For concealer, we're going to use the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. My favourite like season for weather is summer. But my favourite season for like holidays is like Halloween, autumn, like my birthday's in October, so like October is my favourite time of the year. So when we've been having this really rubbish weather, I've like mentally prepared myself for autumn. On top, we're going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. I'm ready for the cool weather, I'm ready for everything spooky. My mindset right now is like, cozy, get warm in my blankets, like soup weather. Blush, I'm going to use this stick from Mina. This colour is giving me like autumn and fall vibes. I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush. I'm going to place that all over my cheeks. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Givenchy Prisme Libre. Just because I really like the pink tone that it gives me under my eyes. But then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Translucent Powder, and this is medium. And I'm going to use this on the rest of my face. Okay, now for the fun part, which is the eyes. I want to go super smoky, super autumnal, dark browns, and this palette is absolutely perfect for it. This is the Beauty Bay Rich Rich palette, and look at these shades. Like, how gorgeous are these? I'm going to start out with the shade Fondant, and it's going to go straight into my crease. I then want to take like a warmer brown, so I'm going to take the shade here. It's called Walnut. I use this. I'm going to stamp this right into my outer corner. I'm going to do the same towards the inner corner as well. I want more browns, so I'm going to use the shade Cocoa. Just place that next to the darker shades. Obsessed. About Face gel liner right into the waterline. It's mascara time, and I'm going to use my trusty Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. We need our lashes to look super thick and super dark. For our lips, we obviously have to go for a nice dark brown. This is my fave dark brown liner. It's by Makeup by Mario in the shade Jeff. We've just got to go with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Now, as much as I love a soft matte lip, I am a gloss girly at heart. I love gloss, and we're going to add some gloss over the top, but to intensify the brown, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Cream in the shade Cookie Jar. Like, look how gorgeous this lip is. Okay, but like, I am obsessed.
Halloween is cool.